1, 2, 3. What is it? What is it? Oh! What is it? What is it? You know what that is? It's a bike thing. Yeah, it's a bike thing. If you can buy it through that, it'd be a miracle. He laughs every time. Oh! Oh! Oh, he's not. He was reacting to it a minute ago. Do you like it? Do you like it, Cookie? Oh, he's giving it the stance. Do you like it? You do? Okay. What is it? It's a special toy. And you can't break it. Because it goes to a padlock. For a bicycle. So you can't break that one, can you, my darling? Come on, boy, try. Go on, it's okay. Go on. Put your tail out of me. It's Daddy. Hello. Oh, you can't break it, can you? You can bite the rubber bits. That's parrot proof, that is. Oh, I see. Clever boy. Don't look at me like that with a a bump. Hey, Daddy filming you. You can't bite it though, can you? You can't. It's a new toy. You can't. You can't bite it. It's special padlock proof. For thieves and burglars. So you can't put it on. Oh no, he's getting through the rubber. You're clever. I wonder. You're clever, yeah. That's beautiful. Uh-oh, you can see himself. You can see yourself in a lens, can't you, you little special boy? Can't buy a padlock thing. Don't know what they're called. You can't bite it, can you? You can't do it. Because it's especially thief proof. He likes it though. Likes it. Okay, that could be your toy. You can't bite it, it's really funny. He has found already the weak spots, which is the black bits. So that's interesting. You're so clever. You are. You're beautiful and clever. Oh, put your tail out. He's gonna go. You're a pretty boy. You're a pretty boy, aren't you? Yeah. Uh-oh. that? What is it? What is it? What is it, Cocky? It's gonna fly. Are you all alert today? It's because